going on, you guys? With your another reaction video. As you can see, we're reacting to Billie Eilish. Now, I have reacted to a couple of her songs, and I really enjoyed them. And I always said I would get into her archive, but I never did. So now we're starting. I literally just Googled. I YouTube her name, and the first one that popped up was Birds with a Feather. I probably should have went deeper and try to find some other music to compare to now, but whatever. We're gonna start here anyways. So that means I need you guys to request some songs from her. I can let catch up real good. I have reacted to a Bad Guy, and I believe it's Ocean Eyes. Two really good songs. So yeah, there's a bunch of songs I've missed. So just hit me up in the comments or DM whichever one is easier for y'all. And I'm definitely gonna get into her music. Yeah. With that being said, not much to say. Birds with Feathers is the title of this song. Everyone knows the saying, birds with feathers flock together. I'm not sure if that's where she's going with the song, but I'm interested to find out where she's gonna go with the song. Um, just because I usually I can get a guess because I don't know the artist, but I don't really, you know what I mean? So yeah, hit the like button. I keep saying the like button, subscribe to the video, and let's do this. Bang, perfection. I don't know lyrics right here, so we'll look down a lot. I apologize. And heads up, there's gonna be some pausing. So if you do not want to see pausing, you should probably get off this video now. Especially if the lyric is good.
I want you to stay till I'm in the grave, till I rot away, dead and buried, till I'm in the casket you carry. If you go, I'm going too, 'cause it was always you. And if I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. I know I said I'd never think I wasn't better alone. Can't change the weather, we should stick together.
My bad. Uh, she's distracting me a little bit. I can't even think what I was about to say. Blue eyes was getting to me. Okay, so I see where she's going with birds with feathers. They say birds with feathers flock together is the saying that I was thinking how she's gonna connect it, and I see it now. She says she's saying she's gonna love you to the end. Like it basically, if you go, I go too. In a sense, yeah. She literally said, "If you go, I'm going to." But yeah, I want you to stay till I'm in the grave, till I rot away, dead and buried. Till I'm in the casket you carry. Birds of feather, we should sit together. So yeah, if you go, I should go with you because we're in this together. Yeah, okay. I like how the she write this. Yes. Oh yeah, her and her brother. Did they write all the songs together? That's dope. That's a good.
Leave me, nothing left to lose without my baby. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. I know I said I'd never think I wasn't better alone. Can't change the weather, might not be forever, but if it's forever, it's even better. And I don't know what I'm crying for.
I like that. Just the use of full of tell me it's a bit. Like you're not being serious right now, basically. You say you're gonna quit. Don't be stupid. That's not what this is. There's no quitting. I like that.
Wanna quit? Don't be stupid. And I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more. Might not be love, but baby, I don't wanna say goodbye. We should still together till the light in my eyes. Till the day I die, forever
Hmm. But the other is just yes, okay. Start off with a banger. Okay. I see. Let me see how many views I got again. Yeah, shit ton of views. But I guess on a rating, I give 5 out of 5. I'll probably like let that play again. I'll definitely have to like listen to it again to like really get the gist of it. You can't really get the gist of everything possible, obviously. But from what I got, she basically was saying like she's so in love that she's gonna love the person to the end, like literally to the end, like in the casket in the almost. You know, I kind of really want to know like if you guys like know our story like that, like what, is there a reason for this song? Like, was she inspired by something that happened in her life, or like just her and her brother just created like this? Because like the way she twists birds with feather flock together and then made it into like loving to the end. I guess you can see it coming now that I hear it, but I wasn't thinking that way whatsoever. Which I like. When artists can do something like that, that shows me how creative they really are. So I enjoyed that a lot. But yeah, shout out to Billie Eilish for sure. Like I said, if you guys want to send me some requests from like some songs from her category, catalog, whatever you want to say, catalog is the best word. Definitely do that. I'm trying to get into your music to check her out because people love her. I'm trying to like get in that mindset. So this is the third song I've practiced with of her so far, and there's three. So hey, that's saying something right there. And this song has almost 400 million views. So, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll get into next time, you guys. Peace.